Hi viewers, welcome to Sadhguru Vlogs YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribe my YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel.
Yes, I am Srikanth, lecturer in zoology. Today I am going to explain about the Haplo Diploidy in honeybees. Okay, it is a type of sex determination mainly which is found in honeybees, ants and wasps. If you take the honeybee, ants and wasps, they belong to the phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hymenoptera. That means honeybee, ants and wasps belong to the order Hymenoptera and class Insecta. Mainly in this Haplo Diploidy, the sex of the offspring mainly depends upon the number of sets of chromosomes. It depends upon what here? Number of sets of chromosomes. That means fertilized eggs develop into females, whereas unfertilized eggs develop into males. Okay, and at the same time, that means males are haploid, whereas females are diploid. That means males contain half the number of chromosomes, whereas females contain double the number of chromosomes. Okay, and the honeybees, okay, if you take the males are haploid and they are also called as drones. Whereas if you take the females, if they feed on royal jelly, then it becomes queen. The other honeybees which feed on pollen grains and honey, they become worker bees. Okay, and now what we are saying here, males are haploid, whereas females are diploid. This we can know with the example of one honeybee called as Apis mellifera. If you like this video, please click the like button, share and comment, and also subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell button.